Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Now, I'm doing another video on the LG V40 ThinQ. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is because I did a video a few days ago, maybe a week ago, on the LG V40 update to Android 9. Yeah, it just got Android 9 because, LG is slack with their updates, but it got it. And I was talking about the UI and how it functioned. And I stated that when you go into the settings to change the screen to home screen with app drawer. So if you go to home, you'll see this right here. And I thought you had to enable this button here to get the drawer button to actually make it work. But you can use this home with app drawer without that. So a couple of folks on that subscribe to my channel, that watch my channel, told me that, and they corrected me. I appreciate you guys doing that. And so I'm just going to show you that right now. So if you go back to the home screen, to get to the all apps, I thought, I kept swiping up like this, and it was like, okay, it's not doing anything when I'm swiping up. But you got to swipe up from the bottom and then go all the way up, and then you get the all apps. There you go, right? So I appreciate the guys that helped me with this and to find that out. So that's good. Now the UI is still a little bit whack, but like you can't swipe down to get to the to the notification bar. You get that search bar right there, like iOS. I don't like that. So you almost got to use a third-party launcher to get the functionality of the Google Pixel, the true functionality. But it's an improvement. It's an update, and so it works. Now, the guys that gave me the tip is Race AT and MArkus Bollman. Those guys actually pointed out that you can get to this all apps by swiping all the way up and then, getting to your home screen. So if you hit the bottom, swipe from the home button, you'll get it. If you go all the way up like that, all right? But Marcus asked about the Maps app lagging. I didn't notice any lag, although I don't use it a whole lot, but I didn't notice it being too laggy. Nothing more than usual. But I'll continue to monitor that to see what happens. Now, one of the things I was hoping is that LG would have incorporated a dark mode for theming, and I don't see that here, where you can get a dark mode throughout the UI. So if anybody knows something different and you can actually get that, let me know, and I'll take a look at it. But right now, I don't see that anywhere where you can get the dark theme unless you put one of these themes here on it. I don't really want to do that. So they still got some catching up to do there. Now, again, I wanted to put this video out to make that correction to what I stated earlier about the app drawer. And I appreciate the guys, Race AT and Marcus, for letting me know that. So to make sure you get the right information. Just a quick look at that. All right. Now, if you got any questions, hit them in the comments. If you like the video, give them a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.